In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that you have no signal here on HDMI. Okay, for the first, what we can do is that we go here on the source button or like on the input button. So in here, make sure that you can or select the right HDMI device here. So if you have like connected your HDMI device to HDMI port 1, then go here on HDMI port 1. So and then you can try if the problem is fixed. Sometimes you have to turn on the HDMI device before. So if you have like a Fire TV stick, make sure that you've turned the Fire TV stick on, because sometimes this is the problem why you don't have a signal there. So this, so make sure that you try this. What we also can do is that we go here on the back of the TV, and here we can try to unplug the HDMI device here and then plug it in again. So clean also like the HDMI cable, and sometimes this helps when you try a new port. So like here the HDMI is 3 port in this case. Okay. And if this doesn't work, what we also can try to do is that we go here on the home menu, on the home button here, and then go down here on settings. So in here in the settings, we can try to reset like the picture settings. Sometimes you can do this here on picture, or on this TV we have to go down on general settings, and then we have like here the factory settings. And when we go on this, then here we can easily reset the picture settings. Sometimes this helps to fix the problem there. Okay, and if this also doesn't work, then we can try to fully unplug the TV, wait like 2 minutes and then plug it in again. This is only to fully reset your TV, and sometimes this also helps. And if this also doesn't help, then try to unplug every single device you have plugged in the TV, because sometimes the other devices you have plugged in the TV can block the HDMI signal. So plug everything out of this, and then you can try to look if your HDMI device is working again. And after that, your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.